Dear students, I am Dharamveer. I welcome you all to my channel. So I have a video for you on triangle. Previously I have uploaded one video on this topic. I have now today I have another video for you on other questions. The first question I have written on the board. In figure AC is equal to AE. तो ये फिगर आपके सामने बना है. AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. AC equal to AC side and AE sides. जहाँ पर मैंने ये दो मार्क लगा रखे हैं. These two sides are equal. Other sides are AB equal to AD. AB this side and AD this side. These are equal. और this angle BAD, I have marked this angle equal to angle EAC, marked here. So you have to prove BC equal to DE, this side equal to this side. Solution. This again question based on the congruency. Angle BAD you have given. Since angle BAD equal to angle EAC given. अब क्या करना है, इसमें आपने ये एंगल जो एडिशन पार्ट ये आपने ऐड कर देना ऑन बोथ साइड्स. एडिंग एंगल DAC on both sides. So therefore angle BAD plus angle DAC equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. अब इस एंगल में जब ये एंगल ऐड किया तो हमारा बन गया ये वाला एंगल, और इस एंगल में जब ये वाला पार्ट ऐड किया, so when we added this angle to this angle, the angle becomes this much angle. So this angle becomes angle BAC, and this side the angle becomes DAE. Now we take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle अदर ट्राइंगल, एक तो ये वाली ट्राइंगल हुई, इसको मैंने 1 मार्क किया, और एक ये ट्राइंगल है, इसको मैंने सेकंड 2 मार्क कर दिया. So I have marked 1 here for this triangle and 2 for this triangle ADE. So what I have given in this triangle, so side AB किस ट्राइंगल की साइड है, ये साइड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल BAC इक्वल टू साइड AD. This is the side of the other triangle and this has been given. Angle BAC equal to angle DAE proved. ये हमने ऊपर प्रूव कर रखा है यहाँ पर. And the other side AC equal to, अभी AC साइड है, ये तो ये वाली ट्राइंगल अगर जब हम ले रहे हैं ये वाली ट्राइंगल्स, so when we are taking this triangle number 1, इसकी 3 साइड है, एक नीचे की, एक इधर की, एक इधर की। ये साइड हम ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं, दिस साइड we have already taken. Now we taken this side AC. So side AC equal to side AE. So side AC for triangle number 1 and side AE for triangle number 2. This is also given. So अब देखिए side angle side on the basis of SAS criteria, congruency criteria, the triangles ABC congruent triangle ADE. So criteria used SAS. So therefore side BC equal to side DE, CP, CT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle, and that was to be proved. Hence proved. So this was the questions for you to prove BC is equal to DE. So we have solved these questions. Now we take another question. This is the another questions in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. What is meant by isosceles? The triangle which has the two sides equal. जिस ट्राइंगल की दो साइड्स बराबर होती है उसको बोलते हैं आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, यानी समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज with AB is equal to this side AB equal to AC. The bisectors of angle B and C, this angle B and this angle C, the bisector. So this OB and OC are the bisector respectively of angle B and C. Intersect at each other at point O. So this bisector OB of angle B and this bisector OC of angle C, they are intersecting at point O. Each other at point. Then this is the construction: join A to O. A and O are joined by dotted line. This is constructions. Show that OB equal to OC. The side equal to this side, that has to be proved. And secondly, AO bisects angle A. So this line segment AO bisects angle A. You have to prove angle phi is equal to 6. I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for different angles here. So now solution. Says AB equal to AC. We are taking triangle, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, side AB equal to AC, that is B1. So therefore angle B will be equal to angle C. Angles opposite equal sides. इक्वल साइड्स के अपोजिट जो एंगल होते हैं वो बराबर होते हैं. So angle opposite the equal sides, they are equal in magnitudes. So therefore angle B equal to angle C. And again, since OB and OC are the bisector, of angle B and C. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. So when we are seeing the bisectors, means angle, any angle is divided into two equal halves, and 1 equal to 2, that is half of angle B, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, so half of angle C. So a triangle, now take this triangle, triangle OBC, angle 1 equal to angle 3, this is half of angle B and this is half of angle C. So you were given angle B equal to angle C. So you were given angle B is equal to C, means their half will also be equal. So 1 equal to angle 3. Therefore, opposite sides of angle 1, that is OC, and opposite angle of 3, that is OB. So therefore, OB equal to OC. Sides opposite to equal angle. They will also be equal. If the sides are equal, the angle will be equal, and vice versa, the angles are equal, then the side will be equal. So we have proved that OB equal to OC. Now we will take this triangle. So that was to be proved, OB is equal to OC. So first part you have proved. Now we take triangle 1 and triangle 2. Triangle 1 is AOB. So I have to erase this part. Now take in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. So triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. So criteria for congruency, you can apply any of the criteria which is suitable to you. There are 5 criteria for congruency. So here you can apply SAS, SSS, SAA. So whichever you like. So just see, there 2 criteria can be used here: side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. And if you take the sides, this side, this side, this side, SSS, SSS. So this is also applicable here. Now let us take SSS. तो ये आपकी मर्जी पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कौन सा क्राइटेरिया यूज कर रहे हो. So this depends on you. So you can apply any of the criteria you like. In triangle with side OB equal to side OC. Proved, already proved. Side OA equal to side OA, common side. Side AB equal to side AC given. So on the basis of side, SSS criteria of congruency. Triangles are congruent. Triangle A OB congruent, triangle AOC. So the criteria used here is side, three sides of one triangle if are equal to the three sides of the other triangles, then the triangles are congruent. This is the criteria for congruency. So this triangle has been proved equal to this triangle. So therefore angle 5 will be equal to angle 6, CP, CT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So when we have proved angle 5 is equal to 6, means AO, therefore OA is a bisector of angle A. That was to be proved. AO bisects angle A. Hence proved. So both have been proved. So both parts have been proved. So you were given this triangle and you have to prove these two parts we have proved. Now we take other questions. So here is the next questions. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So this AD is a bisector as well as perpendicular, means at right angle, bisector of triangle side BC, and show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. यानी ये आपको प्रूव करना है, ये दो साइड्स आपको बराबर प्रूव करनी है, AB equal to AC. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Therefore, BD equal to DC. Depending, because this is a bisector, BD equal to DC. So we now we take this angle, if we write here is 1 and 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Because we bisectors. So we are taking now triangle 1 and 2. So in triangle ABD and triangle ADC. So what are the equal parts of these triangles? So side BD equal to side AC. That was given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. That was also given. This side we have taken this side, then angle, and now we are taking side AD equal to side AD, common side of the two triangle. Therefore, as कौन सा criteria यूज हुआ? Side, angle, side. Side, two sides, one angle, including angle. So on the basis of SAS criteria of congruency, triangle ABD congruent triangle ADC. So the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, side AB will be equal to side AC, CP, CT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle, and that was to be proved. AB equal to AC, so hence proved. On this basis, the triangle has, so therefore triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. That was to prove. Now we take another question. So here is the next questions for you. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base. Triangle number 1, that is ABC. Triangle number 2, that is another triangle DBC. DBC are the two isosceles triangles on the same base. So this is the same base BC. So one triangle on the upper side and the second triangle on the lower side of the same base. So you have to prove angle ABD. This angle ABD, this much angle, will be equal to angle ACD. ACD. So this much angles you have to prove that these angles are equal. So let me erase this mark. So I will take this mark later on. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, given. Okay, ये लिखा है isosceles triangle, the side triangles which have two sides equal. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. Therefore, angle 1. This is angle 1, this one. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle opposite equal sides. There are two methods for this exercise to be solved or to prove. You can prove in two ways. First, we are taking for you the simplest way, simplest methods. So we have taken this triangle. In this triangle, this side equal to this side. So therefore, opposite angle of this opposite sides are equal sides are angle 1 and 2. So mark it. Equation number 1. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle, lower triangle BDC, side BD equal to side DC, again given. So because this is also an isosceles triangle, therefore angle 3 equal to angle 4. Same criteria, same property, angles opposite equal sides. Equal sides of a triangle. So mark it as equation number 2. So adding 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2, the same sides are adding. So angle 1 plus angle 3. So angle 1 add to angle 3, 1 and 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. So you have added angle 1 to angle 3, यानी 1 में 3 आपने ऐड करके तो ये एंगल हमारा बन गया ऊपर वाला. इस तरीके से एंगल 2 and 4 when I add it, the angle become this large one angle. So therefore angle ABD equal to angle ACD, hence proved. So this was to be proved. So this was the shortest and the simplest method for you. So you can use a criteria for congruency, so that will take you some longer time. So that is another method. You have to make a construction here. That is another method. So I have chosen for you the simplest method. Next question. So here is the next question for you. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. So this is the right angle and the two sides AB and AC are equal. So this AB equal to AC and you have to find angle B and C, the values of angle B and C. So very simple question. So in triangle ABC, side AB equal to side AC given. Therefore angle B equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides. This angle, they are equal. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So this is the angle sum property of a triangle. In a triangle there are three angles and the sum of all the three angles, that is equal to 180 degree. Now put the value of angle ABC. So angle A is 90 degree, angle B plus angle B again equal to 180 degree. I have placed angle B and angle B twice. Why? Because angle B and C both are equal. So twice of angle B equal to 180 minus 90 degree. 90 degree twice of angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle B will be 90 divided by 2, that is 45 degree. So since angle B equal to angle C, therefore angle C will also be 45 degree. So you have got the answer for two angles, angle B 45 degree, angle C also 45 degree. So these are the two answers. So you were asked to find the value of angle B and C. very simple questions, very short and simple questions. Just you have to find the values of two angles. So another question for you. Again, a very simple question. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. So what is an equilateral triangle? The triangle which have all the three sides equal. AB equal to AC, AC is equal to BC, and BC equal to AB. All the three sides are equal. Solution. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC given. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C. Opposite angle of equal side. So, mark it 1. Again, also side AC equal to side BC. All the three sides are equal. We can take any two pairs, any pair of sides. So therefore, now we are taking AC and BC. So angle A will be equal to angle B. Similarly, AB equal to BC. Therefore, angle A will be equal to angle C. So from 1, 2, 3. There are written three equations 1, 2, 3, comparing all the three sides in pair. So we have three pairs of angles. Angle A equal to angle B, angle A equal to angle C, and angle B equal to C. So therefore angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Now we repeat. So since angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle sum property of a triangle. So while you will solve the questions, you will also write the sum property, the property you are using for any solutions. So you will have to write the property. Now put value of A, B, C. So angle A plus angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because angle A equal to B and A also equal to C. So एंगल B की जगह हमने A लिख लिया और C की जगह भी A लिख लिया. तो thrice of angle A equal to 180 degree. So angle A will be equal to 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle B will also be 60 degree. Angle C will also be 60 degree. That was to be proved. Hence, proved. So you were asked to prove each of the angle equal to 60 degree. Again, a very simple question. So we will take another question. So another question. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. तो ये जो साइड है AD, that is the altitude. Altitude परपेंडिकल को एल्टीट्यूड बोलते हैं, यानी हाइट, perpendicular, altitude. These are the three different words for the same thing. Altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC. It means the angle D is of 90 degree. It means AB side equal to AC. So this AB side equal to AC. That is given. Because this is an isosceles triangle, and you have to prove AD bisect BC. And this perpendicular or the altitude AD divides BC in two equal parts, and secondly AD bisects angle A. So this AD also divides this angle in two equal parts. So let I denote it at angle 1 and 2. So in triangle ABC, AD is an altitude at BC. Therefore, angle D is equal to 90 degree, and AB equal to S given. Now we take two triangles, triangle 1 and 2. So in triangle ABD and triangle ADC. So can you tell me which type of triangle is this? Are these? So the angle is 90 degree. It means triangle ADC clearly is a right triangle. Again, when this angle is 90 degree, this angle again on this side will also be 90 degree. So this will also be a right angle triangle. So the side opposite to the right triangle, that is the hypotenuse. Right? 90 के डिग्री की कोण के सामने वाली जो भुजा होती है वो क्या होती है? हाइपोटेन्यूज होती है. तो अब हम यहाँ पर वही क्राइटेरिया यूज करेंगे. So since angle B 90 degree given, AB, that is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AB equal to hypotenuse AC, the side opposite the right angle. In a right triangle, that is the hypotenuse. And the side AD equal to side AD, common side of the two triangle. So criteria used is right angle, hypotenuse and side, RHS. RHS criteria for congruency. Criteria of congruency in a triangle. So we are using RHS criteria. So triangle will be triangle ABD will be congruent triangle ADC. The two triangle will be congruent. On the criteria used in RHS. So now Therefore, when we have proved the two triangles congruent, then their corresponding part will be equal. Therefore, BD will be equal to BC, CPCT. It means AD is a bisector. Is a bisector of BC. That was to prove AD bisect BC. The two parts are equal. Also, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Again CPCT. Corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So therefore, AD bisects angle A. That was two proved. So both things we have proved. Hence proved. So you were asked to prove these two things. AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. So I have taken these questions are. So other question, next question. So in triangle, the question is, show that in a right angled triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So I have drawn a triangle ABC here. This is right angled at B. This is 90-degree angle. And you know that the sides opposite the right angle, that is called the hypotenuse. The other two sides, one is the adjacent side and other the opposite sides. So you have to prove in right angle triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, that hypotenuse is the longest side. And the longest side is AC. So you have to prove AC means, so AC greater than AB greater than, and AC greater than BC. So AC is the longest of the three sides. So this is to be proved here. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. So angle A plus angle C plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90 degree. So angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. It means angle A and C both are acute angle. So when there is one right angle out of the three, angle, when there is one angle of measure 90 degree, the other two angles will be below 90 degree. Means angle A and C both are acute angle. Angle A and angle C both are acute angle. It means angle A is less than 90 degree, angle C also less than 90 degree. Angle A or C both are less than 90 degree. It means the side AC, in other words, you can say angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is greater than angle C. Angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is also greater than C. The side opposite angle B, that is the hypotenuse. Therefore, side AC is greater than BC and AC is also greater than AB. AC is greater than BC, यानी ये जो साइड है AC उसको हम बोलेंगे हाइपोटेन्यूज. यहाँ लिख लेते हैं वर्ड हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो हाइपोटेन्यूज AC is greater than side BC and AB both. It means out of the three sides, AC, that is the hypotenuse, is the longest side. So comparing this, so therefore AC, that is the hypotenuse, is the longest side of a right triangle. Hence proved. So this was to be proved. So therefore, so this was the questions given to you. So you had to prove the hypotenuse, the longest side in a triangle is the longest side. So students, I have given a solutions for questions from the exercises of triangle. So I hope you will be able to understand these questions well when you will go through the video. So at the end, I request you all to share the video to your nearest or your friends. Share, like, subscribe and press the bell icons. Thank you. Have a nice day.